Okay, the next question is, describe a time when you had to learn a new skill quickly to complete a project. How did you go about it, and what was the results? Here's a good answer. In a previous project, I was tasked with integrating a machine learning model into our software product, but I had minimal experience with this specific framework required. I had a limited time frame to learn the framework, train the model, and ensure it worked effectively within our system. To tackle this, I started by breaking down the skill into manageable pieces. I identified the key areas I needed to focus on, understanding the framework's architecture, working with datasets, and learning the deployment tools we'd need to integrate it seamlessly. I set aside dedicated time each day to go through online courses and tutorials, and I also reached out to a colleague who had experience in this area to get tips and feedback. While working on the integration, I encountered a few challenges, particularly with model deployment. To address this, I documented every step and created small test cases to understand how the model would behave in different scenarios. By the end of the project, I had successfully implemented the model, and our team was able to use the integration as a template for future projects. In the end, not only did we meet our project deadline, but the integration helped improve our product's functionality. Additionally, I was able to share my notes and process with a team, which became a useful reference for others working on similar tasks. Why this works? It should work well because 1. Proactive learning. You took ownership of learning the new skill by identifying key areas, dedicating time to self-study, and seeking help from a knowledgeable colleague. 2. Problem-solving mindset. Documenting each step and testing in stages shows your ability to work through challenges methodically. 3. Contribution beyond the project. Creating resources for others shows that you went above and beyond, turning a personal challenge into a learning opportunity for the team. Challenge into a learning opportunity for the team. What you should avoid saying. 1. Avoid focusing on struggles without resolution. Don't emphasize how hard it was to learn the skill without sharing how you ultimately succeeded. 2. Minimizing effort. Avoid saying something like, "It wasn't too difficult to learn." Instead, acknowledge the challenges and your approach, as this shows resourcefulness and initiative. 3. Neglecting the project impact. Don't omit details on how your efforts benefited the project or team. We look for engineers who take ownership, so be sure to convey the impact of your work. 4. Overstating your independence. While it's good to show initiative, don't imply that you avoided asking for help. We value collaboration, so mentioning that you sought advice shows humility and a team-oriented approach. Thanks for watching. For more tech interview questions, please go to bowsy8.com.